Hey everyone! In this guide, I'll show you how to automate social media content creation using Canva Pro, step by step, so you can save time while keeping your brand consistent across all platforms. First, go to canva.com and log into your Canva Pro account. From the dashboard, choose the type of content you want to automate, like Instagram posts, Facebook ads, or story templates. Using pre-designed templates will save you a lot of time and keep your content consistent. Next, open a template in the editor and start customizing it with your brand colors, fonts, and logos. Canva Pro lets you create a brand kit, so these elements are applied automatically across all designs. This helps maintain a professional and cohesive look. Now, take advantage of Canva Pro's Magic Resize and Bulk Create features. Magic Resize allows you to instantly adapt one design for multiple platforms, while Bulk Create lets you upload a CSV file with different text or image variations to generate multiple posts at once. This is perfect for campaigns or recurring content. After your designs are ready, use the Content Planner in Canva Pro to schedule posts directly to your social media accounts. You can plan weeks or even months in advance, making your workflow smooth and organized. Finally, review your scheduled posts and download any designs if needed. Automation ensures you stay consistent and save hours of manual work while keeping your visuals polished. And yeah, that's it. With Canva Pro's automation tools, you can streamline social media content creation and focus more on growing your business. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva tutorials.